Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me. This is going to be another unboxing video, and I do not want to delay this further because I am so excited. I have been looking for this one particular plant, and it's just difficult to find, and as well as it's very expensive as well. And yeah, so I think I have ordered 5 plants, and let's get into it. I am very loyal to my trusted seller. I always buy my aroids or my philodendrons from Araflora. I'm gonna try and leave the link down below if you're interested to check them out. And they always send me a free plant, so I'm quite excited to see what they send me today. So this took just 3 days, no, not 3 days, 5 days after placing my order. And they are based in the Netherlands. Right. My receipt. So I have been ready for these plants because I went shopping the other day. I bought some new pots. So I have been that excited. Right, I always like to start from the smallest package. So this is just a starter plant. I have ordered a Epipremnum Cebu blue. I don't know, it looks, I just think that it looks very similar to a Philodendron Celtipicana. I think the Celtipicana is more, it's got more silvery color to it. So I have about 2 plants in a pot. Not bad for a starter plant. Oh, look at that! So tiny. This might be the free plant, or maybe I'm expecting too much. They always send me a free plant, so I'm kind of expecting one as well in this order. I have no idea what plant this is. I am sure this is the free plant. It hasn't got a label. You know what? I would like to check the receipt in case they have included the name of that one. No, it doesn't say here, but I am sure I haven't ordered this one. It looks like a philodendron, like a species, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm gonna take a close-up of everything later on. So let's just leave that one there. On to the next one. So I think I really spoiled myself this time, guys. I have ordered several. We went to a garden center the other day. They have been closed for nearly 2 months. And when we got there was nothing. I mean, they had outside plants, but only a few of indoor plants. So I didn't get any. So this is a Philodendron scandens. So it's a starter plant as well. I always like to see how many plants there is in a pot. I really like that. I have a neon pothos. So this is my first Philodendron gold. I think I have about 4 in a pot there. Oh my gosh. Look at this one, guys. So it's not as orange as I thought it would be. It's not as bright. So this is a Philodendron Prince of Orange, but it's not as bright. Perhaps that new leaf coming out a little bit, or maybe if it gets a bit of sunlight. I'm not sure. I'm not disappointed because I like philodendrons. They are the easiest plant for me to grow indoors. They're not as fussy as the calatheas in my experience. It's very dusty. Look at the substrate, guys. Look how very chunky. I like that. Right, let's so that's, I have 2 left. So all of these are starter plant, except for the last one. So this is a Philodendron Gold. Yeah, it's a Philodendron Malay or Malay Gold. I mean, look at that size. So it did say it's a starter plant. But it's bigger than I expected. Oh, the leaves are a bit soft. They just need some fresh air, that's all. I have about 3 plants in a pot. I definitely think that it's worth my money. So this last one, I'm very excited. So before this plant was delivered, I was planning already. I made some space for them already, so I already know where to put them. Oh my god. I do not want to break any leaves. Let's do this slow. Alright, too many sticks. I can use that. Can we use that? Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Oh. Can you already see that, guys? So I was told this is a medium size, but definitely the price was good compared to the one I found here in the United Kingdom. I found this seller who sells mostly rare philodendrons, and this size would cost about £100, but this one is like 20-25% less. Look at that, guys. My very own variegated Monstera. How beautiful. Hang on, let's take that off. So I love the variegation. It's not like super white. So the older leaf gets a lot darker with a bit of splash of white. And I think each leaf is like different from the other, from another, because that one, I am so happy. I mean, I'm satisfied. I cannot praise this seller enough. I trusted them so much that I keep buying from them. I think this is the fifth time that I have ordered from them. For some reason, I am missing the name tag for this one. So, if you happen to know the name of this one, guys, please let me know. I'm gonna take a close up of each one of them. So tell me, guys, which one is your favorite, because I could not pick one. I could not just pick one. I love all of them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, be well, and God bless. Bye. Have a nice weekend.